Infinite number of bodies, each of mass 2 kg, are situated on x-axis at the distances 1 meters, 2 meter, 4 meter and 8 meters respectively from the origin. What will be the resulting gravitational potential due to this system at the origin? This question involves calculating gravitational potential at the origin due to an infinite number of bodies which are positioned along the x-axis at the distances 1 meter, 2 meter, 4 meter and 8 meters. The gravitational potential due to a single mass m at a distance r is given by v is equal to minus gm by r, where g is gravitational constant, m is mass of the body, r is the distance from the body to the point of interest. Given the mass of each body m is equal to 2 kg and distance r is 1, 2, 4 and 8 meters and it is in geometric progression. Thus, the total potential at the origin is the sum of contributions from all masses, which is V total is equal to minus G into m by 1 plus m by 2 plus m by 4 plus m by 8 plus so on. The series m by 1 plus m by 2 plus m by 4 plus m by 8 plus so on is a geometric progression with the first term a being m is equal to 2 and the common ratio r is equal to 1 by 2. The sum of an infinite geometric progression is given by S is equal to a by 1 minus r, where r is less than 1. Substituting S is equal to, on substituting the values of a and r, we get S is equal to 2 by 1 minus 1 by 2, which is equal to 2 by 1 by 2, which is equal to 4. The total gravitational potential at the origin is calculated as V total is equal to minus G into S, which is nothing but minus G into 4. So the correct answer is option C, minus 4G.